In this next lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up an Amazon coupon code, where I'm going to do a live walkthrough through your Amazon Seller Central account and show you exactly how to set up a coupon code correctly. Let's dive into the content right now. So the first thing we're going to want to do is log into your Amazon Seller Central account, as I have done right here. And you're going to go to Advertising and click on Promotions. Alright, so when you come to the promotions screen, you'll see something similar as I have on the screen right here. Now this part is very new, where it says create a deal. There are some accounts that do not have this yet. You might just be showing down below the create a promotion, where it has the 4 different options. So if you don't have this first one, savings and sales deal, don't worry about it. That is just something that has been added to accounts and you just don't have it yet as a new seller. So we're going to look here at create a promotion. Let me just go through these different options that you have available for you. First one here says free shipping. Now this one you're only going to be using for an FBM listing. So if you were doing a promotion, or you're giving away a product and you want to actually give them free shipping as well, you can go in here and create a free shipping code so they don't have to pay for shipping, and you would do that in this area. This does not relate to anything with FBA, so you don't have to worry about that one with FBA listings. The second one is the money off coupon, and this is the one that I tend to use most often, and this is the one we're going to use to do a walkthrough here in just a second, where you can offer a discount code that gives you a money off or a certain percentage with a coupon code. So we're going to go through that here in just a second. The third option here is buy one, get one free, and you can set up a code with this so you can actually have customers buy one product and get a second one free. This is a code that you might want to offer, especially during holiday time, where you have a product buy multiple items and get one free. And the last one here is external benefits. And this is where you can actually create a post-order benefit for qualifying purchases. And this is where you can actually give something away as a bonus to your customers. So for example, maybe you're giving a free ebook when they purchase your product, and then you can create the code here so then they can actually get that when they actually purchase, and they can have it delivered directly from Amazon. So for this walkthrough, I'm going to do a money off promotion. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create here for money off, and it's going to bring up the different areas here for creating a money off promotion, and I'll go through each one step by step. There are 3 different steps here. The first one here is conditions, and it's going to ask you, the first thing is buyer purchases, and if you just leave this as it is, it just says they have to purchase at least one item in order to get this promotion. So we're just going to keep that as is, and it says purchase items. So Amazon is asking us here, what item are we doing a promotion for? So in order to tell Amazon this, we first have to create a new product selection, because we haven't put anything in here yet as a new seller. So the first thing you want to do is click on create a new product selection, and that brings up the create product selection page, and it's going to ask you first, what product selection type do you want to use? So if you just click on this, it gives you several options. Now what I usually do is I just click on ASIN list, the ASIN number that we're going to put. So click on that and then create product selection. I'm going to click on that. And here Amazon is going to ask us to put in some information about this product that we want to do. So the first one is just for tracking IDs. So for this one, I'm just going to put in there fogless shower mirror. Alright, so I've gone ahead and put fogless shower mirror in there for our tracking ID. And then the next one says internal description. And this is just the description that will show for us. And I'm just going to copy and put that same fogless shower mirror description in there as well. And this is just for our internal tracking. A customer will not see this, so we don't have to worry about that. This is just so we know what this discount code is and what it's for. And then next is going to ask for the ASIN list. So we're just going to want to get the ASIN number for our fogless shower mirror. And what I did, I just opened up a different Seller Central page, and I clicked on my inventory, and then right there at the top of the inventory has our ASIN number. So you're going to want to just highlight that and copy it, and then go back to this page and paste it in there. And we have our ASIN number. So then once we have all that information, on the left bottom there, we're going to click on submit, and we have that in there as our fogless shower mirror. That's the description we put in there, and it shows that it was created on 5/16, which is when I'm filming this video. So now if we go back to the promotion page that we were on, and now back here on this page, we can select the fogless shower mirror. So I click on the drop down box, and I've selected the fogless shower mirror as the promotion that I want to do for this item. So next it asks for, what does the buyer get? So there's a few different options. If you click on the arrow here, it tells you can do an amount off or a percentage off. Now I particularly like to use the amount off because you can put specifically what it's going to be. So what I've done is I've gone ahead and put $38.95 off because this product is $39.95 and I actually want to give this product away for $1. So this discount code is going to allow people that want to write the review for me to be able to get this product for $1 after they use their discount code, and this will take off the $38.95 to make it $1. So that's how I'm setting this up for this $39.95 product, so they can use this coupon code to get the product for $1 after they use this discount code. So next area says applies to. We want to keep this as purchase items, and that just means that this is going to be applied when they purchase this item. Now below we have advanced options. Now we don't need to do anything in here, but I do want to show you what this area is. This advanced option is a way to do tiered discounts. So you can actually set different tiers. So basically you can have, if a customer purchases 2 of your product, they can get a certain amount off or a certain percentage off. And then the next tier could be if they purchase 4, they can get a certain amount off. If they purchase 6, a certain amount off. And you can set up tiers that way. And you could use this in the future. This is something that you can use to set up a discount promotion. We're not going to do this right now, but just so you know, that is there, so you could use it in the future. This works very good during holiday selling times to create opportunities for your customers to get bigger discounts the more they purchase from you. So I'm just going to unclick this so that goes away. The next area here is step 2, is the scheduling. This is where we're going to tell Amazon exactly how long we want our coupon code to be valid for. So the first one it's going to give us here is today's date. I'm filming this on 5/16, and notice that it actually is going to do this a little bit further in advance, because I'm actually filming this right before 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time right now, and this is giving us a live time 5 hours in advance. So you're going to notice that it does take Amazon a little while to process this. Usually it's about 5 hours. So make sure you take note of when your coupon code will go live, so you can let your people know after this time, or if you're letting them know early, let them know that it's not going to be activated until that time. So what I like to do is I like to get a notepad out and just go ahead and take note that this will be live at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on 5/16. And then the next part is your end date, so when you want the coupon code to end, and it automatically just puts today's date and expiring right before midnight. I'm going to actually put this a week out. So I click on the calendar and it gives me an option to pick whatever date I want. I'm going to click on the 23rd of May. And I'm going to keep it at 11:59 Pacific Standard Time. So this coupon code will be valid just over 6 days, and I'll make sure that I let people know that they only have until the 23rd in order to use this promotion code. The next area is the internal description. They give you an example, Mother's Day free shipping. This is where you're going to put the internal description so you know what this coupon promotion is. So when you go into manager promotions, you'll see it'll give you a description of what it is. So I'm going to put one in there now. And I've gone ahead and just put fogless shower mirror, $38.95 off, so I know exactly when I see this promotion what it is for. And then the tracking ID, I'm just going to keep that exactly the way it is. Amazon just puts a date and time that you're creating it, and that's perfect for what we're trying to do here. So the last area here is step 3, additional options. Now there are a few key points here that you want to make sure that you're doing correctly, because otherwise you can give away a lot more of your product than you want to. So make sure you pay close attention here to what I'm going to be teaching you about this area. So the first area is claim code, and it's checked off because we actually do want to have a claim code. So if I click on claim code, it'll give you some other information here and what your claim code actually is. This next area I want to make sure that you do have checked off. So it says 1 redemption per customer. You want to make sure you have that checked. If you don't have that checked, then you can have a customer use this code over and over and over again, and that is the last thing you want to do, because you only want one customer to be able to purchase one item using this discount, because they can only give you 1 review. So you just want to give them the 1 deal so you can get 1 review. So make sure that that is checked, because otherwise you can have someone come in here and purchase a lot of your product at a discount and just get it over and over and over again. So the next area here is claim code, and this is where you can actually put your own claim code in there that the buyer would have to put in order to get that discount code, or you can suggest a code by clicking on this button here, and Amazon will suggest a code for you. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to keep this code that they suggested for us, and I'm just going to make sure that I copy this into a notepad along with the times that this code will be live. So you'd want to have the claim code and the start date and end date, as we said before. So next it talks about the claim code combinability, and for that you just want to make sure you have exclusive checked. There's no reason to use the preferential or unrestricted. We just want to make sure we're giving an exclusive deal, so just keep that defaulted as exclusive. Next you want to click on customize messaging, and that's going to give us some more information here. So the first thing it's going to give you is the checkout display text. And right now it says promotion applied. So when a customer uses your code, it's going to say promotion applied. So when a customer uses your code right now, it's going to say promotion applied. So they know that that code was active and it's being used. You can put this however way you want. You can put in their discount applied or whatever you want to put, but this so the customer knows that the coupon code went through and they're going to get the deal that that you put. For short display text, if you just hover over here, it tells you what it is. It's basically what it would show on the listing page and in the search results if you want this to be public. Now, this is not something that we want, because especially with this where we're offering this product really for $1, we're doing that to get reviews and a burst of sales as well, and we're not going to want this to be shown publicly, because if you do show this on the page, then everyone's going to be able to get it for $1 and they're going to wipe out your inventory. And most of the time, if you're not doing this through someone you know or communicating that you're doing this deal in exchange for a review, they're just going to buy it and then you'll never hear from them again. So you're going to want to make sure on this detail page display text that you uncheck this box. If you keep this checked the way it is right now, it'll go through and it'll show, and you'll see on here right now it says save $38.95 when you purchase one or more qualifying items. You're not going to want that displayed publicly on your Amazon listing page. Otherwise, like I said, you're going to have tons of people that are going to be purchasing your product and getting it for $1, and they're just going to wipe out your inventory. So make sure, this is very important, make sure that you uncheck this box, because you do not want this displayed on your Amazon product listing to the public. Again, just to go through this one more time, you want to have a claim code. Make sure you check that. Make sure you check just one redemption per customer. You can suggest a code or create your own, but make sure you copy that somewhere so you have it. We're going to do an exclusive deal, and you can put the display text whatever you want. But right now it says promotion applied, and then be sure you uncheck the detail page display text. You do not want this shown on the public pages. And then at the very bottom, we're going to click on review. And that brings up the review promotion page. So we just want to go through and make sure we have everything correct. So the first step here says conditions. So we just want to make sure that we have at least one qualifying item for one. We have the fogless shower mirror, and the amount off is $38.95. For the scheduling, just make sure that that is exactly what you've noted and what you processed. And then for step 3, the additional options, just make sure you have your claim code, that it's copied somewhere. It's one redemption per customer. Again, it's an exclusive deal, and that it doesn't say anywhere here that it's being posted on the page. So that means that that's working out great. And we have the terms and conditions, and then we're just going to hit submit, and this will make sure that it is submitted to go live when the date and time set. So this particular code will go live at 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And if you want to see your promotions, you can just go here to manage promotions, but it will not show up there until the code goes live. So after 7 p.m., I can actually go in here to manage promotions. It'll show your code live there. And if you need to make any changes to it, you can do that. And also it allows you to end the promotion if you don't want to continue it after you've already started it. So that's how we create our Amazon Seller Central promotion code, so you can manage promotions to get that sales burst of traffic and the reviews that you need to get your product rocking and rolling on Amazon. And that is it for this lesson. Just make sure that you've taken good notes and you follow everything step by step and do exactly as I taught you how to do in this lesson.